In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add staff account in Shopify on desktop. A staff account is a separate login you create for a team member so they can access your Shopify admin without using your personal credentials. This is great for security, accountability, and flexibility because each person can sign in with their own email and you can control what they can see and do. Before we start, a quick heads up. Staff accounts may be limited or unavailable depending on your Shopify plan. Some versions of the basic or starter plan don't include staff accounts in certain regions. If you don't see the option we're about to use, check your plan details or consider upgrading. Let's begin at your computer. Open your desktop browser and sign in to your Shopify admin. Once you're in, look to the lower left corner of the admin sidebar and click Settings. This is where you manage the behind-the-scenes parts of your store, including your users. Inside Settings, find and open Users and Permissions. In some interfaces, this area may be labeled Staff Accounts, but it takes you to the same place. Here, you'll see a list of any current users and their status. To create a new one, click Add Staff. This opens a form where you'll enter the details for the person you're inviting. Type the first name and last name so their profile is clear and recognizable. Then add their email address carefully because this is where Shopify will send the invitation. If possible, use a reliable work email that the person checks regularly to avoid delays. When everything looks correct, click Send Invite or Send Invitation depending on your interface. Shopify immediately emails the person a link they can use to accept the invite and set their own password. That's the key benefit here. They'll create and manage their own login, so you never have to share your password. Let your team member know to watch for the email and to check their spam or junk folder if it doesn't arrive quickly. Invitations can expire, and it's common to need to resend an invite if too much time passes. You can monitor their status under Users and Permissions, where pending invites are typically indicated. Once they click the link, they'll set a password and log in with their own credentials. From then on, they can access the Shopify admin according to the permissions you choose for their role, and you maintain the security and traceability of your store. That's it. You've successfully added a staff account on Shopify from your desktop.